Cottage gardens' surge in popularity is twofold. They are idyllic, but they are also a far more sustainable option compared to high maintenance grass lawns. There is also a general movement towards building up wildlife habitats and creating landscapes that support biodiversity. And for all those reasons, cottage gardens are ideal. You can celebrate exuberant color with the carefree plantings of a cottage garden. While other garden styles often feature formal lines and orderly plantings, cottage gardens revel in colorful chaos and serendipitous plants pairings. The result is relaxed and cheerful, focusing more on the passion of gardening than the rules. But by following certain garden design tenets and practices, your cottage garden can thrive with minimal care. Cottage gardens are also a notable departure from rigid landscape conformity. Instead of identical, symmetrical suburban scenes, cottage gardens invite you to become the artistic director of your outdoor living space. As for our cottage gardens' defining characteristics, they have an organic form, offering array of textures via stone, wood, patinated metal, and dense plantings of flowers and shrubs. They are immersive and inviting thanks to their winding pathways, climbing vines, and trees that draw your gaze through the space and establish opportunities to enjoy nature's inherent beauty. The best part about small cottage gardens is you don't need lots of acreage to create your own spin on garden. If you only have a petite yard or small patio space to work with, you can still build something beautiful, lush, and decidedly old world. You can use small legible spaces and orderly frames to contain abundant flowering, textured, and colorful wildness, even in small yards. Small planters, vining plants, and hanging baskets are all perfect options if you want to create a cottage garden in a small outdoor space. You can incorporate whimsical touches to your cottage garden. Drama is part of this slightly wild garden style, so consider including bridges, benches tucked into canopied nooks, wishing wells, and charming trinkets hidden throughout the space. These elements bring a romance to the space. You can even layer in small elements throughout, such as rustic clay pots, salvaged wood, wind chimes, birdhouses, and garden decor. Garden paths are a staple in cottage inspired gardens, and they are much easier to create than you might think. For the most cost effective route, you can add more interest and definition to the path by planting flowers alongside the edge or adding solar power lights for evening strolls. All these images are for your inspiration. But the main thing is your own skill and creativity, and the trust you have in your garden to give it a whimsical cottage garden look. I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it with your friends and family. See you in some other amazing design ideas video. Till then, take care.